Hello and welcome to the Creating a Summation with Detail report video. This is the fourth video in this series. If you haven't seen the overview video, you might want to watch that video first before this one to ensure you understand the basics of the reports module. This is an example of a Summation with Detail report. Notice that the data can be grouped and summarized with detailed information relating to the records in the report. You can group the report on one or more fields from the target or the related modules. This video provides step-by-step instructions to create this report. Revenue line items by user and sales stage. To create a report, select Create Report in the Reports module menu. In this video, we're creating a Summation with Detail report, and it's going to be based on the Revenue Line Items module. On this step, we're going to add 4 filters. The first one is the expected close date, which we'll set to the date range of this quarter. And mark the runtime filter so we can use this report for ongoing quarters. The next filter we're going to add is the sales stage. We want to see more than one sales stage, so we're going to change the operation to is one of, and select Value Proposition through Negotiation Review. This will also be a runtime filter. Next, we want to filter on the likely amount. Sales management only wants to see revenue line items over $1,000. So we'll change the operation to greater than and type 1,000 into the currency field. Notice that no currency symbols are needed. Since the next filter is in a related module, we need to select the module first in the related module panel. Jim, the sales manager, only wants to see his employees in the report, so we're going to filter by username and only select 2 employees, Sarah and Will. Click Next and view the Define Group By step. Jim's requested he wants to see each of his employee totals individually. So we'll group this report by username and the sales stage. So this displays the revenue line items that each user has by sales stage. Next, we need to tell Sugar what summary values we want to see for each user's sales stage. And Jim wants to see how many revenue line items each user has assigned to them and the sum of the likely amount for each sales stage. So we're going to select Sum Likely in the Available Fields panel. Now we're ready to add the fields to display in our columns. We're going to add all the fields first and then arrange them. First, the revenue line item name, the likely amount, the type, new or existing, the account name, the opportunity name. Then we'll rearrange the columns in the order that we want and change the labels as needed. Once we have the column labels in the order that we want, we're ready to select the chart type. Jim likes funnel charts when he sees sales information, so that's what we're going to select, based on the likely amount. Now on to the final step, the report detail. The report name is RLI by user and sales name. We'll leave the assigned to and the team as is and check all the optional related modules. We've completed all the steps in the report wizard, and now we're ready to see the report results, so click Save and Run. So based on the 4 filters, Sarah and Will have $43,988 in revenue line items this quarter, over $1,000 in the value proposition through negotiation review sales stages. 8 revenue line items. We can mark this report as our favorite by clicking the star by the report name. This allows us to search by My Favorite Reports in the Reports module and see this report in My Favorite Reports dashlet on my home page. See how easy it is to create a Summation with Detail report? Now you try to create one in your instance of Sugar. Thank you for watching the Creating a Summation with Details report video. The next video in this series is creating a matrix report. Thanks again for watching.